From our circles, we then go into our light bulb. So when you finished your circle, you're going to bring your arms out to the side. Pick up those flaps again, and then go and say stop. Just that on itself is going to create a stretch. Now, we're going to turn the light bulb to the floor. Then we're going to turn it back up as far as your body will allow you to the ceiling. Now, don't let your shoulders work with you. It is just your arm and the bones in your forearms twisting inside. One more time, twisting and twisting. And then bring your arms down. You will feel, if you've never done these kind of exercises, that you feel quite an uncomfortable stretch or a pull. When we are pressing our hands out to the sides, be aware that we are stretching nerves. So the nerval stretches that you may feel in your body are way more, for some of you, maybe stressful than a muscular stretch. So it's the stretch that comes before muscles are being stretched. So it's much deeper and it's much more intense. That's why we really don't want to overdo it. For some of you, maybe it feels delicious and you want to do even 4 or 5 more of those, but make sure you stick to just about 3 and be more consistent and more regular with it than trying to overdo that. The nerves are being stretched because each one of your nerves has a membrane around the nerves. And that membrane sometimes can be sticky. The idea of pulling on your nerve is to unstick the membrane that's around it so that your nerves are freer to be moved and are freer to be able to transmit forces and information towards your muscles. So to have a nerval stretch, which is the nerve that runs into your arm all the way up your neck, is a very good thing to introduce in your daily activities if it does not bring you any further discomfort. So be a little more wary with that light bulb stretch. Don't force it and don't overdo it, please.